Are you looking for a software solution that can support your daily business operations and help you grow your success? If the answer is yes, you have come to the right place. Brightend Software is your online portal with a variety of features and tools that can integrate seamlessly with your existing software. You can pick and choose whatever you need from our software modules and customize them to your preferences. Hosting and security. You can rely on our fast and reliable hosting service in 32 countries on 4 continents. You can also integrate your Microsoft Office 365 identity or Google Workspace with our software, so you don't have to manage your users separately. We take care of security, updates, uptime, and backup for you, so you can focus on your core business. CRM and tasks. You can access all the information about your customers from one central place. You can save notes, set tasks, view inventory, invoices, employees, and locations. You can also combine and create your own tasks and customer tasks in one view and access them from our mobile app. You can assign tasks to your colleagues and form teams to handle pending tasks. You can delegate and repeat recurring tasks to keep everyone on track. Stock, proposal, order, and sales. Manage your products and inventory with our software. You can update your prices and stock levels with our import functions and create stunning proposals with our smart templates and reuse product blocks to give you a head start. Create various types of orders and sync them with your favorite online web store. Order products from your warehouse and schedule appointments with your customers. Intranet and survey. You can create a central hub to communicate and share information with your employees, whether they are in one office or around the globe. Create separate download files or folders for each identity and sync information between locations. You can also set FAQs to avoid repeating answers and showcase the skill set of all your employees. You can also collect and analyze customer feedback with our ready-made surveys to improve your service quality. You can create reports and benchmark your data within your own departments. Service, rental, and loan. You can register and service customer devices with our software. You can recall or set automatic reminders and create beautiful certificates. You can design your own service protocol for each device and collect any data you want with our Overview Builder. Connect your applications like Microsoft Power BI to build on our data. You can also enable the rental option for your own devices and run your rental department with sophisticated upsell and cross-sell possibilities. You can also use the Loan Out module to efficiently loan out your products and make sure you get them back in time. Office. Create and manage contracts and other documents with our software. You can set placeholders and never touch the body of your text again. Keep track of what equipment your employees have and when it's time to re-equip with new materials. Register cars, computers, keys, or anything you desire. You can also publish your ISO quality manual or any other manual online and make it accessible to your employees. As you can see, Brightend Software is a powerful and flexible software solution that can support your daily business needs and help you achieve your goals. If you are interested in learning more or trying out our software, please contact us today.